What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is Wednesday, January 24th. And of course, I got another day trading video for you guys. I'm on the S&P 500 ES 2000 interval tick chart. I'm using the NinjaTrader platform, and this is what the market looked like when I opened up the NinjaTrader this morning. You can see I didn't drag it into yesterday, but yesterday we had a lot of mixed trading. And then went into a little bit of an uptrend, and then we opened up pre-market pretty much going towards the upside, and then around market open we went sideways for a bit, and then from there we kind of just mixed around a little bit and had some fun. Yeah, guys, so today was honestly one of those days again for me where I should have just not made a trade when I had the chance. I went through my full hour of trading, and then I got off, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna hop back on, and I took a stupid trade because I was just like searching for one, and I just get in these modes where like when I don't find a setup after a couple of days, I'm just like, all right, I need to find a trade, and then but that's what happens. I focus too hard, and then I try to force something that's not there, and then I take a trade, and it just ends terribly. um, but yeah, that's kind of what happened to me. I got too impatient this morning. I don't know why I do it, but as soon as I got on, I forced myself into a trade that I really shouldn't have gone into because it was really confusing. But I just took it because I'm like, oh, okay, It looks like a setup, but honestly, the context was so on. I took it on an inside bar, wasn't good. All around, just bad judgment on my part and being impatient, because it happens. I could have got off today with just another no trade day, but instead, I didn't follow my own advice that I tried to give, and I just forced something that wasn't there, and lost money. But hey, it's a part of it. You can't be perfect. I'm not perfect. Nobody's really perfect, but you just gotta learn from it, move on. Don't take it too heavy. I'm not bringing any baggage into tomorrow. Um, but yeah, uh, it is what it is. I'm not gonna sit here and whine and complain about it. Just move on with my life, and there's always another day to trade. That's why there's always tomorrow. Um, but yeah, that's why you gotta be patient. Gotta make sure it's the right setup. Make sure the context is right. Signal bars are good, and then you take it. Don't just force yourself, or don't ever, when you're confused, take a freaking trade, because you will lose that trade. I promise you. But we're gonna go look through it. Again, this morning there wasn't a lot of movement. Pretty congested, kind of choppy-ish, and it's not. I don't know. It was really hard to read. Again, price action's been kind of strange lately. But I'm gonna take you through my trade, and then just kind of wrap it up for the day, because that was about it. But yeah, guys. So yeah, I cut it here a little bit. Um, you can see we kind of trended down and had like a little bit of a break. I couldn't really tell. Today it was very hard for me to read exactly where it was going, but we had like that a break in that channel looked like, and then it moved up into a new channel and moved down. Honestly, it was really confusing for me to read today, and that's another part of the reason why I shouldn't have taken the trade I did. But I just said screw it. I really don't know where it was going. Like when I really just sit back and think about it, like it was such a bad entry. Really should not have done it. Um, and it's just being impatient and just forcing something that isn't there, and that's entirely my fault. But just so you get the context of where what I was thinking during it. So we had like this channel, right? It looks like we had some overshoot, made new high. I couldn't tell if we reached the new high yet. So I was thinking maybe we overshot, traded back down, and now we're going to try to attempt to make a new high. I thought that's what we were going for. So the setup I took was a second entry short failure, um, which it looked like it would turn out to be, but again, I just forced myself into it. I thought it would be a good spot. Really, it's an inside bar, not too good. If anything, I already scalped out already, and I went backwards, and it just sat in here a while, and it just immediately stopped me out. Again, not a good trade. I thought we were getting a new high, but I don't think that's what was happening, because I was pretty much confused the whole morning. When I'm confused the whole morning, that's that's no bueno for me. But it is what it is. Take it with a grain of salt. Move on to the next to the next trading day. But learn from my mistake. Don't trade when you're confused. Be patient. I still make my mistakes. It is what it is. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave my most recent video here to the left and my subscribe button to the right. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And yeah, I hope everybody had a good day trading. If you didn't, just like me, hey, it's okay. There's always another day. There's always gonna be another opportunity to get back at it. So don't get discouraged. Just keep going, keep pushing, and we'll get there eventually. It's all part of the journey, though. Losses are part of the journey, and that's where you fail, overcome, and become great. So, that being said, I'll catch everybody in the next video on Thursday. Peace.